This is the Frugal Gardener. Welcome back to my garden. We are near the finish line. For those of you who have been following my vlog, this is the seed to harvest, and I started the 1st of spring, and I'm going to go straight through until the end of the summer. This is the concoction that you've probably seen parts of before, where I have added orange peels. Some I've ground up, some I've left in pieces, and there's also eggshells, coffee grounds, wood ash. There's quite a few different items in here that I use. This is kind of a general all-purpose pickup nutrients that I add to my garden. So what I've done, I showed you in the last video these pots over here. I'm not going to bore you and have you sit through me doing every single pot. As a matter of fact, I'm going to take out the smaller ones and I'm going to save those for later on in case I decide I'm going to plant something else, or I can use them for starters. So I'm focusing on the large ones, and I'm showing you the process here. Basically, I take this bin, and there's one like it over here. I fill it up with the used soil. Technically, I should sift this, but to save time, I just pick out the big pieces or the pieces that don't need to be there. By the way, this is going to be a short video, and at the end, if you stick around, I'm going to show you something I've never shown you before. Something that could save you money. So, moving on, I have done 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I've done 6. So that's probably about a third of what I'm going to do. And like I said, I'll repeat the process. I'll fill this with soil. I'll add these nutrients to it. And it's probably not going to be enough for me to do 3 bins. This is all probably going to go in the second bin. But hey, you use what you have. So I've already laid these out. Based on the size and the depth of these containers, I'm going to plant beefsteak tomatoes in this one, cantaloupe in this guy here, purple onions in this one, and I've already planted the rest of my Yukon Gold potatoes. I had a problem this year because I ordered too many and I had some of my own, so that worked out really well. And in my crate, my milk crate, I'm going to plant more carrots. This I'm undecided. Not sure what I'm going to do with that one yet. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and well, looking at the larger ones here, one, this trash can here, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, probably about 10 more to go. And then I'm going to move on to projects. That'll be it for the planting. Things are already starting to come up. Things are starting to grow. I'm going to show you that in a future update. But right now, while it's quiet, while the wind is down, I want to get these seeds in. I want to get this project done. It's going to warm up this week. It's going to be in the 80s all week. So, like I told you guys before, I really don't want to be out here in the hot sun when I don't have to, because I'm getting this stuff done now. So, as promised, at the end of the videos lately, I've been trying to show you something different from my channel anyway. So the last 2 or 3 videos I've been doing that. You can go back and check. And this time, it may surprise you, because it's something I'm sure you recognize, unless you don't like beans. This is a bag of Greater Northern beans. This is a 2-pound bag. Cost me about $2. Got it from Walmart. And people don't realize that you don't have to buy beans. People are talking about food prices and how everything is going up and the prices are ridiculous, and they are. I'm trying to find a way I can show you this where, there you go. Ingredients: Greater Northern beans. That's it. Just beans. Which means you can grow these. If your budget is tight, if you have a large family, or if you just want to save money, you can plant these and they will grow. How do I know? Because I planted these a few days ago. They do not take long to germinate, and you keep them moist. There's 3 or 4 more in there. You can see a couple popping up. So that is something I haven't shown you before. There's a lot going on in the garden. The next video, I'll show you the finished product of my pots that I have replanted, and I'm going to move on to a few projects that I do every spring that I should have done by now. I'm a little behind, but that's okay. It's not that far behind. And I'll show you guys what's coming up. We're getting to the fun part now. This is the part where things are starting to happen. And these are the purple potatoes. I'm not going to show you too much because there's a lot happening. These are the peas back here. And that's all I'm going to show you for now. I'm going to let you guys go. Thank you for stopping by. Thank you for subscribing if you have. If you haven't, please do. Post your questions and comments below. Hit the notification bell, top right hand corner. And remember, when you grow your own food, you'll always know where it comes from. Catch you guys in the next video. Have a great day.